Granny. Cookie Monster, we know it's you.
What give me away? Cheap novelty big.
Did you bake those cookies for me? Well, yeah, with Alan's help. They're the world's greatest birdseed cookies, Granny Bird. Thank you, Big. These are the world's greatest birdseed cookies. Is that just a pinch of cinnamon I taste?
Cinnamon. Yeah.
Would you like one?
Oh, Granny, what big heart you have. Oh, thank you.
Alan, would you like to have a cookie?
I'm okay, Big Bird. I'm on a birdseed-free diet.
Oh, land sakes. Squished banana.
Yeah. Applesauce. Yeah, that nice touch.
Nom, 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 nom.